Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. The topic of my lecture is the heme metabolism. In this topic, we will study the chemistry of the porphyrins, the synthesis of the heme, abnormalities associated with the heme synthesis, and the degradation of the heme. So before going towards the heme synthesis, first of all we will discuss the chemistry of the porphyrins. Chemistry of the porphyrins. Porphyrins are class of the water-soluble nitrogenous biological pigments or the biochromes, derivatives of which include the heme proteins. Porphyrins combine with the metals and the protein, or you can say porphyrins are the class of the pigments including heme and the chlorophyll whose molecules contain a flat ring of four-linked heterocyclic groups with a central metal atom. Porphyrins are the cyclic compound formed by the linkage of the four pyrrole rings through methynyl bridges to form the porphyrin nucleus. Double bonds joining these pyrrole rings in the porphyrins are responsible for the characteristic absorption and fluorescence of these compounds. Porphyrin rings are numbered with the Roman numerals 1 to 4, starting at the top and proceeding clockwise. The methyl bridges are represented with the Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma and delta, again proceeding clockwise. The position at which the substituents could be attached are numbered with 1 to 8. The name of the porphyrin consists of words and numbers. The word denotes the kind of the substituents found on the ring. They may be A, P, M and V. A for acetic acid, P for propanate, M for methyl, V for vinyl, while the number denotes how they are arranged. They are two number 1 and the 3. There are three important words: uroporphyrin, coproporphyrin, protoporphyrin. In the uroporphyrin, it contains the substituents group A and P, acetate and propanate, while in the coproporphyrin contains M and P only. A has been changed to M, while in the protoporphyrin it contains the M, P and V. Some P has been changed to the V. In the uroporphyrin, the substituent groups are A and P. In the coproporphyrin, substituent groups are M and P, while in the protoporphyrin, the substituent groups are M and while in the protoporphyrin, M, P and V. There are two important numbers in the series. They are the series 1 and the series 3. The series 2 and 4 do not occur in the natural system. In series 1, the substituent repeat in the regular manner: AP, AP, AP and AP, starting with the ring 1, for example uroporphyrin. In the series 3, the order of the substituent in the ring 4 is reversed: AP, AP, AP and PA. This is the structure of the uroporphyrin 3. These are the examples of the porphyrin nomenclature. In the uroporphyrin 1, as the name indicates, uroporphyrin, the substituent groups are A and P. it belongs to the series 3, so series 1. So in the fourth ring, it is arranged in the regular manner. All the structure, the substituent groups are arranged in the regular manner. While in the uroporphyrin 3, as the name indicate, uroporphyrin, so the substituent groups are A and P, and it belongs to the series 3. So the substituents group in the ring 4 is in the reversed manner. In the protoporphyrin 3, the substituent groups are M, V and P. He and chlorophyll are the classical examples of the metalloporphyrins. The structure is often represented in a cross-shaped shorthand form. The common substituents often are abbreviated as A for acetic acid, M for methyl, P for propionic acid and V for vinyl. It is the simplest formula for the representation of the Fisher's model for the representation of the porphyrin molecule. Porphyrin have a complex cyclic structures. All porphyrin compounds absorb light intensely at or close to the 410 nanometers. Structurally, porphyrin consists of the 4 pyrrole rings, 5 membered closed structure containing 1 nitrogen and 4 carbon atoms linked to each other with the methine groups. It is a structure of the heme. The iron atom is kept in the center of the porphyrin ring by interaction with the 4 nitrogen atoms. The iron atom can combine with 2 other substituents in oxyhemoglobin. One substituent is the histidine of the protein carrier and the other is an oxygen molecule. In some heme proteins, the protein is also bound covalently to the side chain of the porphyrins. Porphyrins in cancer therapy. As the porphyrin can absorb the light, so we are used in the cancer treatment. They have the property to absorb the light, so it is used in the treatment of the cancer called the cancer phototherapy. It is the most important question regarding the paper point of view. The photodynamic properties of the porphyrins can be used in the treatment of the certain cancers. Cancer phototherapy. Tumors are capable of taking up more porphyrins than the normal tissues. The cancer phototherapy is carried out by administering hematoporphyrin or other related compounds to the cancer patient. When the tumor is exposed to an organ laser, the porphyrins get excited and produce cytotoxic effect on the tumor cells. The porphyrins and the related compounds have the ability to selectively accumulate in the tumor tissues and to persist there for the long period of the time. This property, along with the well-described photophysical and photosensitizing properties of the porphyrin type molecules, it has led to their potential use as sensitizers in the variety of the medical applications such as in photodynamic therapy. The photosensitizing agent is injected to the bloodstream. The agent is absorbed by the cell all over the body but stay in the cancer cells longer than it does in the normal cells. Approximately 24 to 72 hours after injection, when most of the agent has left normal cells but remain in the cancer cells, the tumor is exposed to the light. The photosensitizer in the tumor absorbs the light and produces an active form of oxygen that destroys nearby cancer cells. This was all about the chemistry of the porphyrins, brief structure of the porphyrins and how they classify according to their name, and the biomedical importance of the porphyrins. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will study the brief structure of the hemoglobin and also the synthesis of the heme. Thank you.